Retail Fast Track, Week 1, Lesson 6. In today's video, we'll be discussing a topic that can transform the way you run your retail business: outsourcing to co-packers. So what exactly are co-packers? Well, co-packers, also known as contract packagers, are specialized companies that provide packaging and manufacturing services for other companies. These experts have the knowledge and resources to handle the entire packaging process, from sourcing materials to assembly, labeling, and even distribution. By outsourcing these tasks to co-packers, retailers can focus on their core competencies and save valuable time and money. Now, you might be wondering when it's the right time for retailers to consider outsourcing to co-packers. Let's explore some common scenarios. If your business experiences sudden spikes in demand or seasonal variations, co-packers can provide the flexibility to scale up production and meet increased volume without the need for additional infrastructure. When you introduce new products or variations, co-packers can handle the packaging design and production, allowing you to focus on product development and marketing. If you operate in industries with strict quality and safety regulations, such as food and beverage or cosmetics, co-packers ensure compliance with these regulations while maintaining efficient production. However, it's important to be aware of the potential challenges and drawbacks when outsourcing to co-packers. Firstly, retailers must carefully select reliable and reputable co-packers that align with their values and quality standards. Secondly, maintaining effective communication and collaboration with your chosen co-packer is crucial to ensure that expectations are met. And finally, retailers need to consider the potential loss of control over certain aspects of the production process. Now let's talk about the financial aspect. How do co-packers typically charge for their services, and what should retailers expect in terms of cost? Co-packers usually charge based on the scope of work and the volume of production. The cost structure may vary depending on factors such as packaging complexity, materials used, and the level of customization required.